Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May 2021. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus. The first Sudoku is a letter Sudoku. 2-star Sudokus we have. A 3-star Sudoku, and a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and only one binary puzzle. So total of 7 extra Sudokus, and I only do 4 of them to solve. Because it's too much for me to solve them all, because I need to also upload them, and it needs the same time to upload them to YouTube. So that's why I have decided to do only 4 of them, and the 3-star Sudoku will be number 2848. 2848. Yes, correct. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25, as usual. Yes, 25 printed digits for a 3 stars Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a 25 printed digit Sudoku is a little bit easier than a 24 printed digits Sudoku with 4 stars. Sometimes you have more pairs, then it will be more difficult. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. Then we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. In this column, wait. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Let me think. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 3, 3, 6. Okay. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 5 in this third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 2, 8, 6. Okay. How about 8. Yeah, let me think. About the 3. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 7. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So no 7s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in that box. There 2, no 2 in this box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 6 and the 8 are missing. Can I do something? No, let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. Here also the 6 and the 8. So missing here the 3. The 3 should be here. 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And now 6, 8, 3. Those 6, 8, 7. Aha, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 6? 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. 39239. Okay. Interesting. Wow. Let me think. Where's the opening? 3, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. Those 2 numbers are the 6 and the 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Yeah. 8, 8, 8, 8. Here's supposed to be the 8. Okay. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. One of those 2 boxes is an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there, alright? That means that this box cannot be an 8 anymore in this big square. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes, so this should be a 6. And that box should be an 8 in this column, the last column. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 6, 6, 3, 8, 7. Interesting. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9, 3 and then 9. So 2 boxes left in the middle, a row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Means 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Can do anything here. 3, 3, 3. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3. It should be there. 3 in this first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Those 2 numbers in this big square are the 8 and the 3 as a pair, yes. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are missing. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between. The second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Alright. Yeah. How about these 5 missing numbers? In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. 1 number left in this row. We have here 3 and 8. So 1 digit left for the number 6. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. 2 numbers left in this column. The 8 and the 3 are missing. And look, we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Yes. Is this really a 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars Sudoku or a puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's 17 minutes. I've solved this in 17 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku in this additional, a 4 stars Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.